How to start working out if you've never exercised before. Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of starting to work out? You're not alone. Everyone starts somewhere, even those fitness influencers you admire. Remember, your fitness journey is about you and your unique goals. First, identify your why, the reason that will keep you motivated. Maybe it's to keep up with your kids or to feel strong in your own body. Once you have your why, check with your doctor to get the green light. Invest in some basic gear, like comfortable athletic shoes and a supportive sports bra. You don't need to buy everything at once. Start with what you have. Schedule just 2 workouts a week to begin with, and make movement a daily habit. Even a 15-minute walk can help build momentum and reinforce the habit. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's morning or evening. Experiment with different times to see when you feel your best. Date different types of workouts until you find the ones you truly enjoy. Try a variety of classes, from bar to boxing, to find what resonates with you. Don't be afraid to try new things, even if you find a workout you love. Nail down the basics to build a strong foundation for your fitness journey. Beginner lessons can help you learn the fundamentals safely. Modify exercises and take breaks when needed. Listen to your body. Avoid the too much trap by not overloading yourself right away. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Consider working with a personal trainer for one-on-one guidance. A trainer can help you with form and provide personalized advice. Invest in some basic home workout equipment, like dumbbells and resistance bands. A jump rope and exercise mat can also be great additions to your home gym. Have a game plan to stay on track, like prepping your workout gear the night before. Find a workout buddy to keep you accountable and motivated. Remember, it's okay to take breaks and listen to your body. Your workout routine should be a form of self-care, not a source of stress. Stay consistent and patient. Progress takes time. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Keep exploring and adapting your routine to keep it enjoyable. Your fitness journey is unique to you. Embrace it and keep moving forward.